Hello, friends. Welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple, fun, and part of your everyday life.
Together, we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples, friendly conversations, and short stories that help. English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I hope you're feeling calm, cozy, and ready to learn English with a smile.
And I hope you slept well, because today's topic is beauty sleep is real. How to wake up fresh every day.
I love this topic because I love sleep, maybe too much.
Yes, Alice can sleep anywhere, on a sofa, on a bus, even during a movie.
Hey, only once, or maybe twice. Beauty sleep means sleep that helps you feel fresh, calm, and healthy. When we sleep well, our face feels relaxed, our eyes look brighter, and our mind feels clear.
So yes, beauty sleep is 100% real.
Okay, story time. Last week I made a big mistake. I stayed up very late, watching makeup tutorials. I said, just one more video. Then, okay, one more. And suddenly, it was 2:30 a.m.
And the next morning, Alice looked like a panda with dark circles.
I really did, and I felt heavy, slow, and grumpy. That day I learned, good sleep is better than good makeup.
Let's learn 3 useful English words. Word 1, refresh. Meaning, to make you feel new and full of energy. Example, a good night's sleep refreshes your mind. Word 2, routine. Meaning, something you do every day. Example, a bedtime routine helps your body relax. Word 3, doze off. Meaning, to fall asleep for a short time. Example, I dozed off on the bus. When I was younger, I used to stay awake playing games, but my mom always said, sleep early, wake up fresh. And she was right. When I sleep early, I feel happier, like my brain has more sunshine.
Oh, I love that. Happier brain, happier day. Okay, friends, repeat after us. I want to sleep early. Good sleep refreshes me. I wake up fresh and ready.
Great job. Let's do 3 more. My routine helps me relax. Beauty sleep is real. I take care of myself. Today's idiom is hit the hay. It means go to sleep. Example, I'm tired, I'm going to hit the hay.
Adam, after this episode, I think you need to hit the hay too.
Probably yes. I stayed up late reading last night.
Here are 3 simple habits. 1. Sleep early, at least 7 hours. 2. Turn off screens 30 minutes before bed. 3. Breathe slowly and relax your body.
Small habits make a big difference.
Friends, your sleep is important. You deserve rest, peace, and a fresh morning.
And you deserve to feel good about yourself every single day.
Thank you for learning with us.
And remember,
English is easier when you learn with love.